Hello, Professor. We are group number 10, and the name of our project is Accidental Drug Related Deaths. And this is our weekly development progress status report. Table of our contents. First, description of client and project, challenges and proposed solution, project status, recommendations, communication, and project cost. About our project. Accidental drug related deaths pose a significant public health challenge worldwide. These tragedies occur when individuals unintentionally misuse drugs, often due to factors like substance availability, lack of education, and limited access to treatment. Addressing these deaths requires a comprehensive drug education, improved access to treatment services, and harm reduction strategies. By adopting such approaches, communities can work towards preventing these devastating outcomes and promoting public health. About our project. Our project focused on studying accidental drug related deaths spanning from 2012 to 2022. Utilizing a dataset, we have undergone a thorough cleaning process and are currently analyzing within the Jupyter Notebook. Our analysis involves generating visualizations such as graph, heat map, and other informative plots to uncover trends, patterns, and insights within the data. And this is our team. Uh, Shamsia Sanamti, she's the project manager. Then Pooja Krishnan, she's the programmer, and myself, Jayalakshmi, I'm the data analyst. And date of our report is 27th March 2024, and date of the last report is 13th March 2024, and the project status is on track. Moving to the requirement phase. Our original data set, we took our data set from the Kaggle. This is the link for our accessing our data set. And next is the design phase. First, we clean the data set. For that, there are lots of missing values. First, we drop the columns with most of the missing values, and we dropped 5 columns, and also we dropped rows with many missing values in the column, and then we imputed missing values in columns with few missing values. Moving to the code for these. This is our original data set, and this is the code for that. And this is the code for getting information of all the columns and rows. And this is the code for the missing columns, and we got this new data set, and this is the code for missing values in rows, and this is the code for changing age and sex through median and mode. That's all about these things. And next is the development phase, and I'm handovering these to Pooja Krishnan for the further visualization.
Hello, Professor. My name is Pooja Krishnan, and I am taking the control of development phase about the project. As a part of cleaning, as Jalashmi said, we replaced so many missing values in our data set. We find so many missing values in our both rows and columns. So we try to maintain that for further ease, for the ease of our further visualization and analyzation. And for that we replace missing values, and for replacing our missing values such as with some mode median like statistical measures. And after that we replaced y values to 1, like s no, like that, y n to 0 1, like that. And we change the male value to, sorry, we change the male value to 0 and female value to 1. We create a correlation heat map also for finding the most correlated data in our data set. This is the code for filling the data set, replacing the missing values with 0. And this is the data set. This is the code for filling the, as Jalashmi said, this is the code for filling the age sex columns with the medium and mode statistical measures. We create a correlation heat map to finding the most correlated data in our data set. This is our correlation heat map. We use this code for creating the correlation matrix. We encoded our correlation heat map code. We plot with x ticks, y ticks, etc. With rotation, we give the rotation value also. And from that we code this correlation heat map of the overall data set. And after that also we created so many datasets, created so many visualizations, like distribution of race by sex, where the which race and which age of people are using the particular drug, or which race is using the particular amount of drugs, like that. And this is the code we use for creating that graphs. This is the code for creating the graph of visualization of race by sex. And in this, from this graph we can identify easily which race, like Asian, Indian, which race, which is the most drug used people in the data set, and their count up to 0 to 4,000 count. And after that we import a scatter plot of age versus heroin. And we find a bar graph of xylazine usage people by their age. From this visualization we can easily find in under the which age group the people are using most the drug called xylazine. And we are finding a waterfall graph of people's under the age groups using the drug name gabapentin also. For this we use this code, we encoded this code for that finding. And we put all these in our presentation. This is our bar graph of psilocin, as I said. And this is our predictive analytics also. This is about age, sex, vs psilocin. We used code in the Jupyter notebook for creating this also. And this is my section is about over. I am handovering from the predictive analytics to Shamsia Sanam for the further informations about our project.
Hi Professor, myself Shamsia. I will talk about predictive analytics. As Pooja said, we have done predictive analytics for the following details. First of all, we find predictive analytics with age, sex, and the drug psilocin, and we got the accuracy like 92.8%. And also for age, sex with the drug gabapentin, and the accuracy is 96.6%. This is the code that we use for both. After that, we find out logistic regression models like with five classifiers like decision tree classifier, support vector machine classifier, gradient boosting classifier, k-nearest neighbors classifier, and random forest classifier. First, we find that for silazine, and then we find that for gabapentin. The code for that is, so these are the three codes for silazine and for gabapentin. These are the code for gradient and k-nearest for silazine, and these are for gabapentin. So overall, we got a accuracy near to 93% for silazine and around 96% for gabapentin. So after that, we went to make a dashboard in Power BI. So this is the dashboard that we had created. So first we find a donut chart of count of age versus race, and we have got the details. And we find a line graph of count of age by death country. And after that, we used a card to show the number of people died within the time span of 2012 to 22 using drugs, and we got this count. And this is the death city and cause of death graph that we find. After that, we find the bar graph of sum of silazine and sum of gabapentin by age. Also, we find a pie chart of count of age by sex. As we mentioned before, we use the number 0 for male and 1 for female. So coming to the coming to current recommendations. We are talking about highlight key insights and trends revealed through analysis, focusing on significant findings related to accidental drug-related deaths from 2012 to 22. Then conducting a comparative analysis between the actual cost incurred during the project and the initially projected cost. This evaluation will help assess the project's financial performance, identify any budget overruns or cost saving measures, and inform future budget planning to resource allocation strategies. And developing a comprehensive dashboard using tools like Plotly or Dash to integrate our analysis, results, graphs, visualization, and correlation heat maps. So what we did is when we made the dashboard, what we did is we after doing all the changes that we have after saving all the changes that we have did till date, we saved it and made a new data set that we imported in Power BI and made this dashboard. That's all till we did this date. And coming to the project course, um, this is the graph that we find like with budgeted and actual cost for each phase. For requirement phase, we can see the budget for requirement phase, design phase, and development phase. We can see the budgeted cost is much more than the actual cost. So we to find this graph also we put the code in a Jupyter notebook. And these are all about our project. We will add the video link here, and that's all. Thank you.